Good afternoon, or good morning, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. 7 red and 7 purple. This is me, your teacher, Mr. Dawes. You are here and I am not. Today, I am going to go through how we will create pixel art, okay? That's all I want you to focus on today. I want you to, here we go, build better games by knowing how to code, okay? You're going to create a character. We might get a time to create a tile map, but I really want you to focus on creating a character today. And I want you to create your Construct 3 username using the link attached. Okay, so if I go to this link here, I've already got it open. The link is just here. Please go there, set up your Construct 3 username and password. So your human name, your username, your password, and please make sure you're using your ISB email address. Okay, once you've done that, you can jump onto Piskel. Okay, this is a very, very easy program to use. Okay, we're creating a character, or often it's called a sprite. Okay, so I'm going to create a sprite, and it's very, very straightforward. Okay, I can draw shapes like this. Does that look like a cat? Does that look like a cat? I'm going to create a cat. There's my cat. I'm going to make the cat pinkish, okay, and I'm going to fill the cat's face with that color. Actually, I'm going to fill the cat's face there, and I'm going to fill the whole cat like that, okay. Then I'm going to use this, and I'm going to darken it up. I'm going to lighten it up around here, okay, and I'm going to make it a bit darker by using the command button to make it a little bit darker here, okay. You can see it's a bit darker. I can do that. I'm going to give it some facial features. You can see that I'm doing this in like 0 time. There's an eye, and there's an eye, and there's a mouth. Why does the mouth always have to be red? Because it does, Mr. Dawes. And then he's going to be like that. Can you see him? That looks fantastic. I'm going to copy him, yeah, and then I'm going to do some faffing around, yeah. So you can see here, if I take that off, I take this off here, can you see up in the top right hand corner things are starting to move? Yeah, so what I can do is I can make him go like that, and I can make him go that, and you can see he's starting to move like this. I'm going to drop that down to a few more frames. I'm going to give another thing there, create another thing, and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to go back to my pen, and I'm going to make him go like this, and I'm going to make him go like this. Can you see how he's jumping now? Oh, that looks fantastic. Okay, I'm going to go back and do something equally ridiculous. I'm going to move him up, and then I'm going to move him. I'm going to move him up. You see he's jumping now? No, I'm going to move him down. Okay, fantastic. Can you see how I've now got a moving, I don't know whether it's a sheep or what it is. Maybe I'll give him a bit of a tail. Give him the tail there, and I'll make the tail go like that, and then I'll make the tail go like that. Hey, it looks like the tail's spinning around. Okay, I can do all sorts of things, as you can see, yeah? But this one looks ridiculous, and this is taking me 2 seconds to make. This has got 3 frames. Yours could be up to 6 frames long if you like, and I'll leave you some examples of ones that other students have done that look fantastic. When you save your work, please make sure you save it offline as a pixel file, yeah? That just saved as a new Piskel. If you wanted to actually call it pink sheep, yeah, I can save it as an offline file, and it'll save into my downloads there, and it will be a Piskel file, yeah? I can then open it up and play with it as well if I want to. I can import the image as well, okay? That's really all I need you to play with today, yeah? Can you please make sure the work that you do is your own? And if you've done something that you think is really, really good, can you show your neighbor? Yeah, and can you take a recording of it, and can you show it to me as well, please? Because I'd love to share it. Yeah, I've got some images here that I will very, very quickly show you. No, I haven't. Do I have? No, I haven't. I'll add them to the the bottom of today's lesson. Okay. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you all the best of luck. Please make sure you get a Construct username sorted out before the lesson, and please make at least one sprite or